What's going on, everybody? It's Brian. We're here at the lake. It's our last night. So what better way to celebrate than a beautiful salmon and some bacon-wrapped asparagus? So let's strap in and let's go crazy. But first, cannonball!
Let's go crazy.
All right, friends. Well, this has been an amazing few days here at the lake, and what better way to say goodbye than a beautiful salmon dinner with some bacon-wrapped asparagus. So right now we're gonna get into the marinade for that salmon, because that's got to sit for about 20 to 30 minutes to get all those beautiful flavors in there. So let's get at her. We're looking at about a quarter cup of soy sauce, about a quarter cup of sesame oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, a little bit of that tang. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of garlic because we love our garlic here. We have 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. We have a new type of hot sauce that we're trying from our buddies at Intergalactic Sauces. I don't really know how to pronounce it. It's a tanguaya sriracha. It's gonna be great. The flavor is amazing. So we're gonna do a few shakes of this here. There we go. And top it off with a little citrus lime juice here. I'd say about a tablespoon of that. So, gonna give that a good whisk, get that all mixed up. The smell on this is amazing. And then we got a couple beautiful fillets of salmon here, and all we're gonna do is pour on each of them. Gonna do a little plastic wrap on there, keep them good for 20 to 30 minutes, then we'll get them on the grill. All right, let's get into this bacon-wrapped asparagus. So, got my trusty cutting board, my trusty knife here. You want to take off the ends about a third of the way up because they just get woody and they don't cook through and it's gross. So, we are going to get rid of this. And I don't need my cutting board anymore, but we are going to switch it out for a cookie sheet because we are gonna get wrapping. We'll take our bacon and we take our asparagus. And you want to do a nice, all the way around, nice and tight. And there we go. So Reed's going to kick it into a montage and we're going to continue wrapping these suckers. All right, we're all done. We're gonna fire up that grill and we're gonna get grilling. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that dinner bell to get all of our notifications while we float away and make some other good stuff. All right, we got this grill going at about medium-high heat, so we're gonna lift this lid. We're gonna get this asparagus on. It's gonna take, about 10 minutes per side-ish till it's nice and crisp and that asparagus is cooked all the way through. All right, we're gonna put those to bed, check on them in a little bit.
Let's go crazy.
All right, these babies are ready. Oh, look at that. Nice crispy bacon, beautifully cooked asparagus. Some of these unwrapped a little bit, but that's okay. It's all going to the same place and it's all gonna taste fantastic. So we're gonna get these on. Oh, we lost one. We're gonna get these off and we are going to get this grill cleaned up a little bit and get ready for that salmon, all right? All right, this grill is ready for this salmon. I'm so excited. So one thing I didn't mention is halfway through the marinade, flip them so you get both sides, okay? Now, as always, when you're grilling, presentation side down, because you are always grilling to impress. Whew. Smells like barbecued dog hair. My arm. I burnt my arm, but that's okay. We're gonna let these go about 6 minutes aside. Quick tip when you're grilling fish or chicken or any type of meat. When you're going to flip it and it's not coming off the grill, that means it's not ready. Listen to your food. Don't flip it until it doesn't stick anymore, okay? All right, it's time to flip this salmon. We're gonna do the old tong spatula trick because these are beautiful big pieces of salmon. We don't want them to fall apart. So, take your tongs, lift it up a little bit, slide that under. Oh yeah, look at that. Almost like I've done this before. And slide and flip. And last one, slide. And flip. Oh, apparently over here is not that hot, but that's okay. We'll get it done. All right. Oh, baby. These are done. Let's get eating. Yeah. Well, Reed, thanks for having me out here this weekend.
Anytime.
And what better way to celebrate Lake of the Woods with some Lake of the Woods brewing. Cheers. Clinky.
Yeah.
That's nice. Well, let's get into this salmon, shall we?
Well, that flakes right off.
That's nice. I'm going to lose this.
Woo.
Mm-hmm.
Lovely. Great marinade.
Thank you. A little bit of a kick. The sesame oil comes in nicely.
I want to try the bacon wrapped asparagus though.
Well, I think I'm going to join you on that one. Clinky.
Linky.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing says good food like bacon.
That's true. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that dinner bell to get all the notifications. We hope you're liking what we're doing. We want to see what you're doing. If you're out here in the great wilderness and you're grilling, show it to us. Let me see what you're doing. We love it. And just remember, if you're going to grill, grill crazy.